Welcome to this first combo event of our 7th HardTech Summit, and then tonight, our 6th Fourth Revolution Awards.
First, I want to say congratulations to mHUB for another incredible year.
We're starting to see manufacturers, academia, researchers working more collaboratively together, and I think that's an advantage Illinois has.
And I think it's a better time to invest than ever, especially within the hard tech space, because hardship creates strength, and people realize we have real hard problems to solve.
Where would we be in the entrepreneurial community if the private sector and corporate didn't step up to collaborate with us to really help solve big problems and drive these innovations forward?
You want to drive equity. You want this city, this state, this country to be the most equitable in the world. You will put a basis on manufacturing. And the thanks I want to give to mHUB. Incredible what they're doing.